Hello everyone, this is Kevin Song from Xiaomi, an electronic company from China. We all know that we are facing big security challenge with IoT devices and also perhaps concern in the smart home scenario. Xiaomi has done a lot to secure the device and to protect our users' personal data. Today I will talk about Xiaomi IoT security practice. First, please allow me to have a brief introduction of myself. Now I'm the head of security compliance in Xiaomi, responsible for cybersecurity and product security, including smartphone and IoT devices. Referring to IoTSF security framework, I established Xiaomi IoT security baseline, then promote and involved in the device onboarding process. Before joining Xiaomi, I worked in Lenovo for 6 years, and senior manager of SOC Security Operations Center. During that time, I gained a lot of cybersecurity response and hardware security bug handling experience. Today, the topic will cover a brief introduction of Xiaomi business, Xiaomi IoT security practice, and a good security design device examples. Let's begin the topic with a short video. You may know Xiaomi by smartphone. Right now, Xiaomi ranks third globally in smartphone market, with a lot of outstanding features like camera and fast charger. But Xiaomi is more than that. We are also leaders in smart hardware and IoT cloud platform. In Europe, our most popular products is the scooter and the vacuum cleaner robot. Xiaomi Home, the global leading consumer IoT platform, and has connected over 271 million IoT devices around the world. Xiaomi Home not only connects the smart device of Xiaomi brand, but also with a lot of third-party smart devices. For example, Philips Lab, IKEA Lab. Through Xiaomi Home app, you can control and interact with smart device simply. For users in China, you could control it by Xiaomi smart speaker. For the worldwide users, you can also control by Apple Siri, Google Alexa, because it's compatible. Xiaomi has a lot of IoT ecosystem partners to manufacture the smart device, including home security, like camera, security sensors, electronic lock, health and lifestyle devices like kettle, bulb, air purifier, vacuum cleaner, and also smart transportation devices like electronic bike scooter, which is also hot sale both in China and Europe. Xiaomi Band is the #1 wearable device globally. Xiaomi IoT is for smart life. You can go to office with Xiaomi scooter, leave your vacuum robot to clean your house, and then in office you can check your home or pets through the secure camera. Exact the smart and enjoyable lifestyle of future. You can see that we have so many smart devices around us. Some of them have the camera, microphone, or body sensors. So the safety and the security matters. we must secure this device with all we can to ensure everyone can enjoy the fun of technology, but without worrying about their security and privacy. We have made great efforts to secure the device in architecture design and coding phase. So, how we can assure that security? Xiaomi security practice starts from device architecture design, and we use the unified solution to simplify the threat module and reduce the attack surface, including unified hardware, software, cloud platform, and one-stop secure test. We launched a secure chip since 2017, which preloads with Xiaomi digital signature, and the chip meets the evaluation assurance level 4 requirement. In home environment, the device normally connects to internet by Wi-Fi, Zigbee, or Bluetooth protocols instead of cellular network. So we design and unify the network module. At the same time, we developed the sample code library to reduce the developer's workload. The device with the network modules will also easily connect to the central cloud platform, Xiaomi Home platform. Even though IoT device has less computing capability, but it is also becoming more and more powerful. That means we can now migrate the computing workload from cloud servers to local devices. Along with the migration, more benefits we can see now. For example, the expandable scalability, less network bandwidth, less attack surface. Here, I emphasize another side benefit of device computing. The data privacy issue was resolved because the data stayed on the device without uploading to the cloud servers, which means less possibility of data breach and no way of misuse of the private data. To leverage the device capability, we need a few framework on device to support the algorithm calculation, which need to translate the application level command to machine language. So we developed the Maze framework and published on GitHub, an open source project. Maze is well used in Xiaomi smartphone, but it is still too heavy for IoT device. So we tailor a light version to support the smart device, which is widely used in Mi Band, earphone, and smart toys. With Maze help, the raw data generated by the Mi Band sensors don't need to upload to cloud to calculate your support pattern, like running, swimming, or sleeping. Now let's talk about the unified software based on NetX, the famous open source embedding operation system. We have customized Xiaomi's own operation system, named Xiaomi Vela. Xiaomi Vela sets its goal to adapt to the less computing capability device, such as the Mi Band speaker and various home sensors. Of course, Xiaomi Vela could not support smartphone, television, and computer, but perfectly matches a smart home device requirement. Let's break down the Vela architecture. The bottom layer is the NetX kernel, and it provides the basic task scheduling, file system, and other OS functions. The top layer is the application framework provided by Xiaomi Vela. It combines OTA function, authentication library, secure suite, and much more. We also publish the developer toolbox, such as emulator, debugging logger, auto-test tool site. For one-stop secure test I mentioned earlier, all the devices have to pass the secure test before launch. Each year, more than 200 new devices will be tested. To increase the efficiency, we script most test cases in the platform, which deliver the test result automatically. Not only for the new devices, in the same time, we need to make sure over 2,000 products already in market have their security status up to date. The test platform works well to scan the connected device day and night in the lab, and also without any complaint. Even though we can secure the device with unified solution and do secure tests before launch, but we could not assure no secure bugs, just like other technology products. So, Xiaomi works with HackOne to run bug bounty program and works with global security researchers to secure our smart life. For the submitted vulnerabilities, Xiaomi will acknowledge and award the researcher, then publish the security anniversary in Xiaomi portal. The last part is good security design Xiaomi device examples. Xiaomi vacuum cleaner and the secure camera. Now let's see a solid example of our vacuum cleaners. The robot could automatically charge back when the power is less than 20%, and then calculate the required charging time according to the unswept area. When the power is sufficient, the robot will find a stop point and continue the clean task. How could a robot work like human? The secret is the adaptive route planning algorithm on device. It's AI that frees yourself from messy cleaning tasks. Let's see a comparison between the intelligent route planning and legacy ones. The robot uses SLAM algorithm to build a layout of your house. SLAM stands for simultaneous localization and mapping. The robot can locate itself in the house and avoid repetitive route or hitting your furniture. All the new features that makes the robot smarter come from the laser sensors and vision sensors on the device. It uses the computing capacity on the device. The new robot navigates through the dual sensor system. The laser system is built on the top of the robot, so it can get a 360 degree of full view of surrounding without the need to turn around. The vision system can recognize obstacles, automatically navigate in your house to clean the house without damaging your furniture. It depends on camera sensors on the top, which record the surroundings and extract the picture pattern to recognize the object, such as the door, table, shoes, and much more. Then the robot can make the intelligent decision with the knowledge of the object. Well, AI algorithm means more data processing, more computing capacity, especially with the camera integrated, how to secure the device and protect user privacy. The secure team was involved at the beginning of the product design. With the threat models analysis, we do the best to assure the security with hardware logic and on-device computing. We only extract the image pattern and match with the on-device pattern database instead of compare the image itself. We do not store the image on the local storage and not upload the image to server. We delete the image once the image pattern is extracted. Another example is Xiaomi secure camera. This camera has won a lot of praise due to its competitive price and considerate function. It uses on-device computing and technology to protect millions of homes from theft and robbery. To be specific, the camera uses AI technology called humanoid detection to automatically detect human movement and activate the camera to record the short video, then send the alert to your mobile phone. With the new algorithm on device, we avoid recording the video all the time and reduce the storage and network bandwidth. However, this feature is optional and switched off by default. User need to read the instruction and consent explicitly. Smart or not, it's up to you. Another critical secure feature for home camera is the end-to-end encryption of video stream. How Xiaomi assure only owner could access the video stream. In the data flow chart, you can see that the phone app sends out an instruction, then related by the Xiaomi Cloud to camera. Then the user's app set up encrypted end-to-end connection with the camera. Not only network connection in TLS encryption sockets, but also the streaming itself signed by random key, which is associated with user account and camera device ID. The dual encryption will assure the confidentiality of video streams. Xiaomi innovation for everyone. We hope that everybody can enjoy the smart life